A former BJP corporator was stabbed to death in front of her house in Cottonpet City on Thursday, police said. Though the former corporator Rekha Karderesh was rushed to Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences, she could not be saved, police said, adding that the previous enmity was the reason behind the murder. The Central Crime Branch of the Karnataka Police confirmed the arrest of a 39-year-old man named Ranganathan DS for allegedly cheating over 2,000 investors in a multi-crore cryptocurrency Ponzi scheme. According to officers from the Economic Offence Wing, the trading and chain link scheme was operated after the accused launched an online company last year, promising high returns to investors. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa rolled out initiatives to promote digital learning and bridge the digital divide in higher education at a cost of Rs 195 crore. The initiatives included distributing tablet PCs to 1.55 lakh students amounting to Rs 263 crore, creation of 2,500 smart classrooms at Rs 27.77 crore, and development of a learning management system at Rs 4.04 crore, an official release said. The Karnataka government has decided to increase the reservation for children of farmers and agricultural labourers at agricultural universities in the state to 50%. The same for admission to diploma and agricultural BSc in agriculture and equivalent degrees was fixed at 40% earlier. The cabinet has now approved to increase this to 50%, Agriculture Minister B.C. Patil said. Former Union Minister Balaram Naik Porka has been disqualified by the Election Commission from contesting elections for a period of 3 years over allegedly failing to submit his election expense details as a Congress candidate in the 2019 Lok Sabha polls. Skipper Virat Kohli defended India's bowling combination for the World Test Championship final, saying going in with a four-pronged pace attack was possible only with a fast bowling all-rounder. India fielded both Ravichandran Ashwin and Ravindra Jadeja along the pace trio of Jasprit Bumrah, Ishant Sharma and Mohammad Shami. Kohli asserted that there was nothing wrong with India's choice of bowlers as they needed to score more runs in order to let their spinners call shots. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi appeared before a magistrate's court in Surat on Thursday to record his final statement in a criminal defamation suit filed by a Gujarat MLA over the former's remark on the Modi surname. BJP legislator from Surat, Purnesh Modi, had filed a complaint against Gandhi in April 2019 under IPC sections 499 and 500 that deal with defamation. A week back, Surat's Chief Judicial Magistrate A.N. Dave directed Gandhi to remain present in the court on June 24th to record his final statement in the case. A U.S. federal judge on Wednesday harshly criticized Republican lawmakers for downplaying the deadly January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol, questioning what planet they are living on. Hundreds of supporters of then-President Donald Trump stormed the Capitol that day in a failed attempt to stop Congress from certifying Democrat Joe Biden's presidential election victory. The violence left 5 dead, including a Capitol Police officer, and more than 480 people have been arrested on charges linked to the attack. Hong Kong's sole remaining pro-democracy newspaper published its last edition after 5 editors and executives were arrested and millions of dollars in its assets were frozen as part of China's increasing crackdown on dissent in the semi-autonomous city. The board of directors of Apple Daily parent company Next Media said in a statement that the print and online editions would cease due to the current circumstances prevailing in Hong Kong. Canada's Liberal government unveiled plans to make online hate speech a crime, although the proposed legislation excludes social media platforms for now. The proposed amendments to Canada's Criminal Codes and Human Rights Act, which have been in the works for many months, come just weeks after an attack that killed 4 members of a Muslim family.